Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, recently I published a video where I had shown you how to call IRCC from outside Canada. So in the similar way, today I'm going to show you how to make unlimited calls to Canada from outside Canada. Does it sound good to be true? Well, it is. You can give it a try and it's not gonna cost you anything. So let me tell you how you can do it. First of all, you need to have an app. So there are various apps, calling apps, or people call it even them burner. But the particularly one that I use is called text free. Okay. So with this text free app, you can send text as well as unlimited callings inside Canada using internet. Of course, you need internet to make connectivity, and you can also get a localized Canadian number. So let's say you are in India, okay, and if you have this app, you can make a call in Canada, and this app is free, like it's not going to cost you anything. And in some cases, like some of you may say, because I have not yet tried that, if I'm sitting in India and I go to my app store and search for this app, I may not get it because probably this app is not available for that location. But there is a way, a workaround. You can always have a VPN configured, and then you can connect to Canadian IPs and download this app, install it, get the number, and then make the calls, right? So in this way, you can make unlimited phone calls to Canada from outside Canada, like India, for free. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel.